So Hershey's chocolate bars and little robot. Yeah, dancing robot dudes. Okay, yeah.
Oh, Tina was in here.
Yeah, there you go. So congratulations, guys.
Jonathan's team.
Yep, you guys can come up here, please. We have a little bit of
Austin, Daniel, Devin.
kind of a surprise award for you guys. We, the mentors of the robotics for this bike frenzy camp, deem you guys to have the best teamwork skills and work best among yourselves for this entire week. So we'd like to give you our mascot, little penguin, Pingu, each. Thank you. Yeah, so keep up, guys.
And I guess the pizza here, so pizza.
Pizza? Pizza!
Yeah.
What? Pizza! Woo!
Good job, everyone.